Today, I draw a very easy drawing for you.
This is the drawing of school bus. I like the drawing of school bus stop. First of all, draw the lines with scale.
Then draw the wheel.
This is very simple drawing.
I like to go school in the school bus.
Draw the wheels of the bus.
Draw the wheels is very easy. And draw the window of the bus.
Draw the windows with scale. Draw the windows step by step with scale.
Look, it looks so beautiful.
Don't forget to outline the bus.
Doing outline make the bus beautiful. Let's coloring in the bus. I like drawing. Use the yellow in the bus. I like the yellow color. The color of the mango is also yellow. I am enjoying a lot. The bus looks beautiful. Then use the red the color in the light. One window is for bus driver. There are 4 windows in the bus. Use the blue color in the windows. I looks beautiful. The children also like their school bus. I like this drawing. Yellow color looks beautiful.